Many people are using sex toys nowadays. Sex toy doesn't dump you or giving you stress or pregnancy, because people who are using sex toys, they have got heartbreaks. Especially, you know that when you sleep with a man, that man dumps you every time. So other people, they decide to use those sex toys. We know that a sex toy is not a human being. Sometimes you want a real person, but it helps you sometimes, because guys, when you have the sex toy, when you leave it there, you came at work and see your sex toy, not a human being. A human being can dump you or cheating on you. That's why many of the women nowadays, they are using those sex toys, because they have got many heartbreaks. So sometimes don't judge people, guys, when they are using took a decision to use those sex toys. So sometimes, guys, there is a disadvantage and a disadvantage of using those sex toys. When you want a man, you can use that sex toy to use it and leave it there. Tomorrow you come back and see your sex toy. A man can dump you, guys, anytime. Especially women, they took a decision to use those toys, many of them nowadays, because when you use that toy, doesn't stress you or pregnant you and dump you a sex toy most of the time. Because guys, we can judge people. Don't judge people who are using those things, because you are tired of being stressed in relationship. Sometimes you are not serious with that person. Maybe you sleep with a man, but that man maybe will start being serious with you, and when you are falling in love with that person, you disappear. But a sex toy doesn't disappear in your life.